Ladies, I've got to talk to you about your lipstick. Too many girls do this. Ladies, hoes, I don't know. I mean, it's like you're a clown or something. Here, let me represent. Okay, this is normal, okay? And I'm gonna show you what you look like. This is what you look like. See, it's over my lip line. So you may as well just go like this. Just keep on going like this. Just do like that. Just keep on. Then you can go like this. Like a clown. Just keep on going like that. Just keep on going. Because when you go over your lip line like that, it makes you look like this. Kind of like a clown. Oh, I gotta make this. Just keep on going. Because that's what you look like when you do your lipstick like that. Just, keep on going. Because when you go over your lip line, you look just like that. Hi, I have makeup on. I'm beautiful. Look at my lips. Just look at my lips, my luscious DSLs. That's what you look like. Seriously, man. When any female, whenever a lady sees another lady with her lipstick over her lip line like that, I know you do it. I know you do it because you do the lip liner on purpose. Whenever those of us who don't really use makeup a whole lot see one of y'all with y'all's lips like that, we're like, oh my God, she looks like a freaking clown. So just keep on going, make it match your outfit or something, because that's what you kind of look like to those of us that are not heavy makeup wearers. That's what you look like. I don't know, I'm gonna get some haters in there like, oh, you don't really wear makeup. Or you use filters. Well, you know what? I don't try and improvise my looks either. So, how about don't put on a mask? And, you won't get any feedback like this. Yeah. Who's with me? Who else sees the thing over the lip line? It's annoying, isn't it? Hi! I have lipstick on. I have to draw my lips on too because they're so thin.